In a heart-wrenching incident that unfolded near the serene town of Chikkaballapur, a catastrophic collision on National Highway 44 near Belambella claimed the lives of 15 people. This tragic event occurred in the vicinity of Chitravati, sending shockwaves through the community and beyond. The incident involved a Tata Sumo van and a stationary cement bulker. The collision was nothing short of a catastrophic, resulting in unimaginable loss of life. All 15 victims were occupants of the ill-fated Tata Sumo. Their identities still shrouded in mystery as authorities scrambled to piece together the harrowing puzzle of this calamity. The chilling accident transpired during a journey from Andhra Pradesh to Bengaluru, leaving no room for escape or salvation for those on board. It was a fateful encounter that unfolded just outside the Chikkaballapur Traffic Police Station, leaving a devastating scene that still lingers in the memory of witnesses. The aftermath of this heart-rending incident did not spare the survivors from its merciless grasp. 3 individuals were seriously injured in the unforgiving collision and were rushed to the Chikkaballapur District Hospital for immediate medical attention. As the sun sets on this sorrowful day, Chikkaballapur remains united in grief, mourning the loss of 15 lives in a calamity that serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of the life on the bustling highways that connect our cities and our hearts. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.